Okay, just a quick video to try and help identify a sound that's coming from behind the dash. This is an E46 from 2002, it's a 330i. It's a right-hand drive car, as you can see. So just a couple of things that I've replaced since I've had the car. I've done the funnel stage resistor, as the fan wasn't working correctly. So that's now, the fan now actually works as it should, but there is a sound that seems to be coming from around the passenger footwell. So let me just turn, so the sound only comes from the car when the car is turned on or the engine is running, and as soon as I turn the engine off, the sound stops. So firstly, let me just turn the ignition on and you'll hear the fuel pump priming, and then it will stop. Don't know if you can hear now, but the fuel pump's now stopped, it's now primed. So the fan is now on. If I turn the fan off, okay, so all that kind of noise in the background, that's now stopped. Obviously all the vents have obviously closed up, or done whatever they're supposed to do. So now the car is completely silent and the car is, the ignition is on. So if I turn the car on, now the sound seems to be coming from the passenger side. I don't know if the car's even going to pick this up, but let me put the phone down here and he might be able to pick it up. I don't know how to describe the sound. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know whether it's like a kind of a gurgling, could it be? But it's really kind of noticeable. I mean, you can hear it when you're driving as well. Obviously, when the revs pick up, you can't really hear it anymore, but you know, it's definitely visible and it's definitely audible. I mean, could it be related to something in the engine, perhaps, that's that I can hear in the cabin? I don't know, but as you can see, the fan is totally switched off, so that means it can't be the blower motor. And I just can't think of what this thing could be, but any advice would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, cheers.